Our Hiligaynon word for the day is pabor, which is also Spanish for favor or favor. Favor. Pabor in English means favor, to help, service, support, assistance, act of kindness, countenance, or protection. Let us have the following example sentences for the Hiligaynon word pabor. Pabor ang hangin or may pabor ang hangin. So it means that the wind is favorable. So hangin is wind, pabor ang hangin or may pabor ang hangin. Nagpalayag sila sa pabor nga hangin. Nagpalayag sila sa pabor nga hangin. So they hoisted sail to a favorable or fair wind. So nagpalayag is to go into the ocean, vast ocean, and then hangin is wind. So nagpalayag sila sa pabor nga hangin. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, which is pabor. Madamo gid nga salamat and see you in the next one. Bye!